Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data and creating a reliable backup, so nothing is lost if a repair is needed. Once done, remove the case and screen protector to access ports and seams. That prevents trapped debris from scratching or blocking connectors. Make sure to power cycle the phone and install any pending OS and app updates to fix bugs and prepare the device for safe cleaning and diagnostics. Now focus on detailed cleaning and system checks. You'll sanitize surfaces with 70% isopropyl on a soft cloth, but keep liquids away from openings. Then use compressed air or a soft brush to dislodge lint from speakers and the charging port. That prevents poor connections. After physical work, clean up storage, remove unused apps, and open battery or diagnostics to check health and background usage. This helps you diagnose battery drain and performance issues early. Complete maintenance by reinstalling a fresh screen protector and case. Then test touch responsiveness, speakers, cameras, and charging to confirm everything works. Make sure backups, Find My, automatic updates, and security features are enabled so future problems are easier to fix. If something still misbehaves after these steps, boot into safe mode or reinstall firmware to isolate app versus system problems. And if hardware faults remain, contact a certified technician to avoid voiding warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.